Hi there, students. Okay, the other day I had a question about, could I please have some verbs for graph descriptions? Verbs to describe the movement of some sort of graph. So let's just try a few of these. Okay, to climb. So the value slowly climbed over the next 2 months. Yeah, you could climb rapidly, you could climb slowly, you could climb steadily. To creep up, or even to creep down. Over the next few weeks, the temperature readings steadily or slowly crept up. So to creep is to move very slowly. Yeah, if something creeps up, it's not something like that. It's just a little and a little and a little and a little. Then the next verb I thought could be quite good is to glide. To glide literally means to move without sound, without any movement. The boat glided across the lake. The swans glided across the water. So the value was slowly gliding up. The value glided up. So this is an increase, but it's without any of this seesaw pattern. It's just gently going up, or it could glide downwards as well. Okay, notice as well, upwards, downwards. These are two important words for you. Something could inch up. So if something's inching up, it increases just that little by little by little. Yeah, the price of fuel has been inching up over the past few weeks. Yeah. Okay, it hasn't been soaring, to soar, to go up rapidly. Yeah, there hasn't been a surge in the price. A surge, yeah, is a rapid increase. It's just been inching up. It's been gliding upwards. It's been creeping upwards little by little. The price has been ascending. Yeah, to ascend, to go up. This is another climb, go up word. The value has been mounting. The temperature has been mounting over the past, over the previous 3 months. Yeah, from May to September, the figure for inflation mounted significantly. To swell. Okay, to swell. This is definitely to increase. I think it's probably more than to inch up or to glide upwards. The value has been swelling. I think you could use swelling. I'm not terribly happy with it, but it might work. Yeah, I think more the market swelled, to get bigger. Okay, to escalate. Escalating prices. Yeah, the cost of living during these 3 months escalated rapidly. Okay, to gain ground. So maybe something drops away and then it gains ground gently afterwards. It gets back what it had lost, yeah? Or maybe something loses ground, yeah? So you could gain, if you've got a graph that's going like this and it's suddenly going down, slowly going downwards, and then it gains ground, it gets back some of what it lost. Or maybe it's going up and then it loses some of the ground that it's made. To multiply, yeah, well, the value multiplied by 3, but this is a very rapid increase. The growth intensified. Yeah, to intensify. You can use intensify as well. It's quite a good verb. To spiral upwards. Yeah, there was an inflationary spiral during this period. Yeah, the value or the costs spiraled out of sight. And then let's look at some decrease words as well. To slip. So the price went up and then it slipped back, yeah? Or it slipped into the previous, what it had done previously. To diminish. Yeah, the value diminished. During this period, it diminished radically. The price reduced. Yeah, it went down. It lessened. It lowered. Or maybe the value dwindled slowly. To dwindle, this is to slowly go downwards, yeah? To slowly slip, yeah? The reading slipped over the next 4 months. To go down slowly, but not rapidly. This is the same as well as to wax, yeah? To wax and wane. Normally the well, wax is actually to get bigger, yeah? So the value waxed, it got bigger. The value waned, it got smaller. So wax and wane are good verbs for you as well. Yeah, to shrink, the value shrunk. Yeah, you put your shirt in the wash and it's too hot and it begins to shrink. The increase abated, to abate, yeah? Waiting with bated breath, well, to abate. Yeah, the radical increase steadily abated. It weakened. Yeah, so first of all, the prices surged, but then this surge began to weaken. Yeah, and then finally, it began to contract again, to get smaller, to subside as well. Then we got the word slump, to slump. If a value slumps, it goes down, boom, very suddenly. So you've got your graph going along like this, and then suddenly it slumps, yeah? At this point there was a slump. To let up, this is a good phrasal verb. So it's increasing, and then this increase, let up. It stopped increasing. Yeah, you could say it's been very hot for several weeks. I wonder when this heat is going to let up. Yeah, so it increased rapidly, and then the increase let up, and it stopped increasing. To moderate as well. Moderate's a good verb. After a rapid increase, this increase then began to moderate, to become less extreme. It began to ease as well. This is a good one. After a rapid surge, this surge then began to ease. To ebb. With ebb, I'm thinking about the tide. So the tide in the sea comes in, and then it ebbs. It slowly goes out. So if something ebbs, it decreases. So the value reached a maximum of 22,000 and stayed around 22,000 for a while. And after that, it began to ebb, to go down slowly, to slip, yeah, to ease off, to moderate, to taper off. This is a good one as well. The value tapered off. To recede, to go down, or then maybe it suddenly plummeted. It slumped, to plummet, to go down rapidly. Curb is also a good verb in this. So, I don't know, there was a significant drop in the value, but then this slump began to curb and the price began to maintain. To tail off, yeah, this is like to taper off. So the value began to drop. The value began to drop and drop, but this then tailed off and it gained stability. To slacken off, yeah, to become less tight. So a rapid rise which then slackened off. An effect could die away. So yes, it rose rapidly for several weeks, but then this died away. Yeah? Or maybe the price inched down. It went down very, very, very slowly. Or you could have the value seesawed, to seesaw. This is this thing for kids where you sit on one end and it goes up and down, seesaw. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.